Hey friends, if you wish to change the system product name in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now I'll tell you about the system product name. In my case, it will be ASUS something. Okay, so if I want to change it, I mean not the what do we say name of the account, but the name of the system. In my case, the system name is Karan because that is what I said earlier, and I cannot change it easily. There is no option to do so in the settings menu, but I can do it through the registry editor. So search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor. Now in the registry editor window, go to the path on the list on the left hand side, HKey local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, OEM information. In the right pane, right click in the open space, new string value and name it model. Okay, double click on it and change the value data to whatever name you wish to put. Like for example, I can change it to Karan Khanna and I'll click on OK, and this will become the new system name. All I need to do is restart my computer and the system product name will be changed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.